God is so good. 25 years na si GFA. Young professional na po ang GFA kung iisipin, no?
Happy 25th year, GFA!
Napakasaya at saka napaka-exciting, lalo na pag pinapakinggan nyo yung sigaw ng mga bata sa slide. Talagang tontuwa sila siya, sobrang saya nila sa kanilang mga ginagawa.
We like to celebrate 25 years of God's goodness to GFA, its students, sa kanyang mga parents, sa kanyang mga faculty and staff, and for the whole community. No?
We are excited sa event na to, and this is the very first time na ginawa natin yung Family Day. This is not just like our field trip from the previous year, no? So talagang nakikita natin napakadaming tao, ang saya-saya ng mga bata, nakasama nila yung kanilang family.
Happy 25 years, GFA! More power!
Woohoo!
Happy 25 years, GFA!
At sobrang excited at sobrang happy din at the same time dahil ito nga ay first time namin na gawin, nakasama yung buong family namin at mas mababand din namin yung mga classmates ng mga anak namin and yung mga co-teachers.
Again, happy 25th year, GFA!
We can only have good kids, happy kids, godly kids, great kids if we are fighting, if we are doing our best for our families. So family matters, no?